Welcome back. This is JDB Moto. Today we're going to be working on my brother's Lexus IS350 F Sport. We're going to be installing today a duck bill. What we're doing right now is just making sure that it's going to be aligning very well. What we're going to do after that, we're going to go ahead and clean the whole area with a microfiber rag with alcohol. That way we take all the dust, all the oil fibers, anything oil on the paint, and after that we're going to go ahead and use this tape right here. We're gonna go ahead and on their side over here, we're gonna go ahead and just basically put it all around it from one side to the other. That way, when we go ahead and put it here, it's gonna go ahead and stick well. Then what we have here is gonna be some green paint tape. And with this tape, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and then just kind of hold it in place. That way the tape makes a good seal between the spoiler and the trunk itself. So let's see how this works. This might be something that you guys are going to be interested in doing, or you've never done it before, so this is going to be a good way for you guys to learn. So down here, so you can see it makes a very good fit. You see the spoiler sheet is basically very flush against the paint all around it. So right now what we're doing, we're basically just going, making, I don't want to say a mold, what we're doing is basically sketching it out. That way when we're going to go ahead and use the tape over here, once it's under the actual spoiler itself, we know how far to go on each side. So if you're going to see, that's what we did over here on the passenger side, and we did the same thing over here on the driver's side. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and remove the spoiler. And now we're gonna go ahead and clean this whole area with a microfiber rag and the alcohol. That way it's all gonna be now nice and clean out of all any type of oil, possible dust. And once we have all that done, I will go ahead and start actually taping the spoiler itself, and then we'll go ahead and put it down. So right now what he's doing is he's actually wiping it down first, the spoiler. What we want to do is going to be the same thing that we're going to do to the trunk. Same thing we're going to do over here. We're going to go ahead and wipe it down, make sure there's no dust particles or anything like that. That's going to prevent the actual tape from adhering to go ahead to the actual spoiler itself. So once we have that done, we'll go ahead and do the same thing to the spoiler over here. We just got done here, so we gotta say we're not very happy with the way this tape actually made a seal. I don't know if you're able to get a good look, but there's some areas, for example right here, and literally it's only on the corners. There's one here, and then when we walk around the other side, this other side right here, I don't know if you're able to get a good view, but it's gonna be like right here. It didn't make a good seal, so I guess we would have better using the clear 3M tape, but we didn't think about it till we actually got it done. So, but if you put that aside, the spoiler actually looks really good. It actually blends in very good with the car. Bro, so what have you done to the car so far?
It just has the new wheels.
What wheels are these?
The Avid1s. Bronze, and we got the Tanabe lowering springs, and that's about it. It's I believe they're the red springs, Yep. I believe this is the NF 210s. The car rides like factory, and I was able to retain the OEM Tokiko shocks that the car came with from the factory. So rides like a dream still. Soon we got the new carbon fiber front bumper splitters, so we should have those on sometime next week. Peace.
All right, guys. Well, if you enjoy the content, just give it a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.